Hey everyone, it's been a while. We're still working towards our goals to head out here now in this coming November, since we kind of got our plans squashed this last November. And I've got this Raymarine Doppler 2 radar we're putting in because I think it's good for when we kind of act short-handed all the time. Emily's sleep schedule and stuff has to be a little bit more regimented than mine, so I end up doing a lot of almost single-handed stuff. So I thought the radar would be good as a secondary kind of assist as far as telling us of targets that may not have AIS. And anyway, I'm get into it and have to there's a nav station right there and had to kind of tear everything apart. We had a bunch of old wiring and stuff that I still have to pull out of the electrical panel that just wasn't doing anything anymore, and I put a sub panel in and ran it straight to the battery with its own breaker safety. And so we're just kind of fixing everything up right now, and maybe we'll get some more little things like this out to you. And then we plan on kind of having our first full video when we do that Guadalupe Island trip, and then into the summer with some other stuff. But I hope everybody's having a great time out there pursuing their dreams, and we'll catch up to you later.